in this tutorial we are discussing about second type of transfer statement. Okay, we are discussing about the second type of transfer statements in Python, that is nothing but continue. Okay, we are discussing about continue. Let us see how this continue will work. Okay, continue is a keyword again. Okay, it has the capability to skip a particular iteration. Okay, in the previous scenario we discussed, when we discussed about break, we told that break has the capability to break the entire loop. Okay, but continue will not do that thing. Okay, continue won't break the entire loop. Okay, continue will stop that particular iteration. Okay, it will just skip that particular iteration and it will move to the next iteration whenever that particular condition got satisfied. Okay, but break, when that condition got satisfied, entirely it will break, but continue will just skip that particular iteration. Okay, there is a lot of gap between break and continue. Okay, let me explain this continue also with one or two examples so that we can understand it better. Let me move to the IDLE now. Yeah, so now we are discussing about continue, right? So let me put a continue here. Now let me write a code. Okay, write a program to print numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, numbers from 1 to 10. So this is very known for program nowadays. Now it's very easy, right? So for I in range of 1 comma 11, so print of I. So what happens, all the numbers in this particular range will get printed. So now I wanted to, okay, now see, I wanted to print, okay, this program. Now what I did, I did, okay, I printed all the numbers. I want to print only the even numbers. To print only even numbers. Okay, only even numbers. So if I want to filter only even numbers, now I'm using, okay, now I'm doing this with the help of continue. How can I do that? Means, see, if I want to print only even numbers, means how can I filter only even numbers? If I skip odd numbers, that means if I skip odd numbers, I can print only even numbers. Now I'm focusing on skipping odd numbers. Okay, what I'm doing now? Skipping odd numbers, means I'm leaving odd numbers so that I can print only even numbers. So how to skip odd numbers? If number, or else if I percentile 2 not equal to 0. So whenever, okay, whenever that I value, okay, whenever that number divided with 2, okay, whenever that number divided with 2 and it is, okay, if the remainder is not equal to 0. Okay, suppose if the number divided with 2 and the remainder is not equal to 0, in that scenario we can, okay, we can put this continue. That means that means what we are doing, odd numbers, see, in this scenario it is odd numbers, so odd numbers we are skipping. I told you, right, whenever we put continue, continue has that capability to skip that particular iteration. Okay, so whenever this if condition got satisfied, this continue statement will get executed. Whenever this continue got executed, then what happens, that that particular iteration will get skipped and it will move to the next iteration. Now see, when the I value is 1, so this condition is getting satisfied. So whenever this one came, so that one won't get printed because it is continuing because it is skipping that iteration. Now whenever I value became 2, so this condition is not getting satisfied. Okay, this condition is not getting satisfied, so 2 is getting printed. Same way when 3 came, okay, when 3 came, this condition is getting satisfied, so that will get skipped. When 4 came, this condition failed. Okay, this if condition will get failed, so that 4 will get printed. So in that way we can print only the even numbers. Okay, only the even numbers we can print in this scenario. Now let's see. See, before we used to print all the numbers, but now we printed only the even numbers. So in that way with the help of this continue, we can skip a particular iterations. Okay, we can skip particular iterations with the help of this continue. Okay, I hope all of you understand this continue statement. Okay, in the next video we will discuss about the last transfer statement, that is nothing but pass. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.